Hello, my friends. In this video, I am going to discuss how you can generate the leads with the help of Facebook ads. So, first of all, simply log into your Facebook Ads Manager, and after that, simply click on Create button. So when you will click on that, there will be three options or three steps of the Facebook ad. One is campaign, second one ad set, and third one ad level. At the campaign level, we need to select the objective of our campaign, what objective we want to achieve with the Facebook ads. So under the consideration, there is an option of the lead generation. I want the leads for my business, so I will select that option, lead generation. After selecting the lead generation, it will first of all ask for the campaign name, so you can name it according to your choice. So Facebook found lead generation. So next, it will ask for the create split test or campaign budget optimization. I want to go with the campaign budget optimization. I do not want to create the split test. So my daily budget will be $10 and campaign budget strategy with the lowest cost, and then click on continue. So we have done with the campaign level. Next level is the ad set level. At the ad set level, we need to select the page from where we want to create the leads. We need to if we need to select the dynamic creative, like the multiple headlines, multiple text, or multiple images in single ad, we can select that. No need for the catalog. We will put the audience at the ad set level, placement, and budget and scheduling. So first of all, my Facebook page is this one, and I need to agree with their terms and conditions. So I am clicking on the view terms, and then simply agree to terms and their conditions. These are all the terms that we need to comply over ads with those conditions. So click on I agree to terms and conditions. Okay, I do not want a dynamic creative now, do not want the catalogs. Next is the audience. I want to target all the people who live in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. And I also want the radius based targeting 25 miles around that, around the Edmonton. So next is the age. So my business nature is for the security company. So 18 plus are not interested in that. Mostly the people with their businesses or the farms or any other type of the property, they are more likely to looking for these type of the services. So I am targeting the 28 plus to 65 plus. And if like I am also selecting the English language detail targeting. So I need to you can also check audience insight for finding the demographic and interest. I have found some of those, and I am putting those in at the detail targeting. So I have put some of the interest that I have found from the audience insight. Next is the placement. I want to only target Facebook and Instagram, and for the mobile devices, not for the desktop devices. And I also want only the feeds. I am unchecking all the other options. Next, it will ask if we want to show our ad to people who are connected to Wi-Fi, but I am not selecting that. And then budget and scheduling. I want to run my ad on continuous basis, so I am not scheduling the ad here. So after that, simply click on continue. So if you have also the Instagram account, you can attach here. Otherwise, no need for that. So if you don't have the Instagram account, simply again come to add your placement and uncheck your Instagram as well. At that level, we need to add the identity like the Facebook page, then format like it will be a single image or video or carousel, then text and instant form. So I am selecting single image for this campaign. So upload the images and okay, I am selecting one of the image, and then we need to put the text. Okay, so you can also see the preview here, but like we can crop this image as well, or we can select the horizontal image. So apply the changes, and then it will ask for the headline. We can also check from there, like the website, what will be the potential headline. So from their website, I am putting the headline. After that, it will ask for the display link. It's the optional, but I recommend that also add the display link as well. It will also like ask for the newsfeed link description. Right now, I am not doing that. Next is the call to action button. We can select any of the call to action button. For this campaign, I want sign up button there, and like after doing that, the next thing is create the lead generation form. So for creating the lead generation form, simply click on the new form. First of all, name it. Next, it will ask for the form type. I want more volume of the leads, so I will just select the more volume. Next, I do not want to put the intro. That's the optional thing. Next, the most important thing is the questions. So by default, email and full name is there. I can also add their contact information, like the phone number as well. So these will automatically fill from their profiles. If you want to add any of the other questions that they need to like fill manually, so you can select from the custom questions like short question, multiple choice question. uh, Quality of the lead depends the questions that you have asked from your clients. Normally the we like select the custom fields or user information, demographic questions, etc. These will be automatically filled when someone click on the ad for the sign up, and these will automatically fill and they submit their information. So like my experience is that quality of the leads normally decline, or like out of the 10 leads, we will get only 2 to 3 or 4 quality leads with these random automatically filled questions. Always ask 1 or 2 questions that are custom questions, so the quality of the leads will improve. So I am not right now selecting those like the questions, or for just the practice purpose, like I will ask any short questions. How we can help you. And next is the important thing is the privacy policy. We need to like put the link text, or otherwise simply just copy the link of your website and paste here in the link URL. That's the necessary. If you add any custom disclaimer, you can add by clicking here, but right now I am not doing anything. uh, Next is the thank you screen, when they will put their all information. this screen will appear to them. And here is necessary thing is the website link. We can also add the text here, like your information has sent to the country guard security below to visit country guard security website. Or you can also put like thanks for submitting your information, we will get in touch with you as soon as possible. And after that, click on save button and then finish it. So lead form is also attached with this ad, and now all things are set up. You need to simply just click on the confirm button. So now you can see this ad is created. I also want to test like A/B test. I also want A/B testing at the ad level. So I simply select this campaign and go to ad level, and this is image one, and I simply click on duplicate. First of all, I am changing its name to image two, and then from here you can change the image. Change image, upload images, and then select the image. So sometimes if the image is not according to their required pixels or required dimension, so this error will appear. So you can use Canva or the Photoshop to resize the image, or you can use the other one. So I am using the other image. So continue, and you can crop the image if the setting is not good seeing in the preview. Okay, apply changes. Then do not need of any changes in the other campaign, and you can simply click on the publish button, so you can do the A/B testing of both the ads with the image one and image two, and based on the results we can stop the one and continue with the other one. So my both of the ads are ready and those are in review, and it will be active in 5 to 10 minutes. So in this way you can create the lead generation ads with the help of the Facebook.